up, everybody? Big Herc 916. You tune into another edition of my vlog. Hopefully you guys are subscribed by now. You know, I'm all about that positivity and the motivation. And I'm heading to another car show, Lamborghini Newport. And I guess your car has to be a 200 mile per hour car to even park in the parking lot. So go figure. Anyways, we're gonna go up in there and check out some of these 200 mile per hour cars, some of these hypercars, supercars. So stay tuned. Got the Bugatti Veyron. They're gonna open the gate for this guy.
I think it was all ready.
Got the Diablo, Aventador, Huracan, another Aventador S. This green is popping.
Well, that's a sawa. This is the last time we saw 6 foot. That's true. I know how to. Can I start?
You want to? Yeah, go ahead. No, I let people play with me all the time.
I really appreciate you letting me talk.
License plate says the King. Now this Lamborghini Urus is pretty sick. It's got what appears to be a wrap on it, which just makes it pop.
That looks good. Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna go over here. Really? You're not gonna use it? No. Dude, I didn't say anything.
It's got yellow and black interior, so the original color is most likely black.
Like a satin.
He got that Gallardo LP 550. Yeah, Lamborghini Newport doing it big out here with the exotics. Like I said, you gotta have something that does 200 plus. I ain't mad at you. This SV is just ridiculous. These cars are, I think, some of the sexiest cars out. But look at the size of these brakes. Just the overall dope looking car, man. Wide, mean, look like it means business. I'm kind of liking these Gallardos again for some reason. They're looking sexier and sexier. This will probably be my starter Lambo when I get ready to go Lambo. Not a bad look. A lot of big money out here in Cali, man. This is Newport, and this is a lot of financial money, a lot of real estate money out here, a lot of lawyer, attorney money. Orange County, notorious for big ballers. But yeah, man. It's always cool to check out the different cars. I love the exotics just as much as the muscle cars. So I'm gonna keep scrolling through here and get some more of these exotics on camera for you guys. Got the F40. These are just iconic. And then you got the GT right beside it, the classic.
It didn't have any.
These are still nasty.
No carbon fiber. They would give me that. They wouldn't give me that option.
Oh wow, I've never seen this car. Maserati, it says Superleggera.
There you go. You're hired.
It says 1 of 15 worldwide, V8, natural aspirate, 6-speed automatic, 0 to 60, 5 seconds, 520 horse. Not a bad looking car. It actually says Skider Pereva. I don't know how to pronounce it. So you guys can hack me on that one. I thought it says the Superleggera is actually for the Aston Martin. This is something in Italian, but it's not super. It does say Superleggera right here though. I can't pronounce the Italian name. Super clean Aston Martin. It just says Z on the side, so I think it says Agato. I could be mistaken, I'm not sure, but the styling on this thing is pretty hot.
Right. So it's cool in the middle of R and the N, the emblem right there, your key is actually so you can situate in there just like that.
This McLaren Senna right here is just ridiculous.
It's going to be the lights, so it's either F12 or A12.
Two Senna side by side, man. How insane is that? Which color would you take? Would you take the black, or would you take the? Well, it looks like a blue. You got the P1. This thing is always interesting to look at because you always see something different when you look at it. And this one's got like almost like a sunburst pearl to it. Bugatti Chiron. This white is just nasty with the sunroof. It's got the this is what makes it kind of pop to me. I've never seen it with the top you can kind of look through, and it's got the saddle interior.
like Shiro. Yeah, Shiro. Yeah. Oh, is that the same one?
Mm-hmm. More Chirons. Black. Got a blue carbon fiber. The blue guts. You guys all know what this car is. If you're an exotic car guy, the Koenigsegg, and this is the infamous Draken. The guy that owns this, I believe he owns a couple of them. Draken, carbon fiber wheels, carbon fiber body. This thing is just ridiculous. Just nasty.
Alright. Okay.
I think they probably do.
Aventador, Gallardo, Aventador, Huracan, Gallardo, another Huracan.
You got that in 6, right?
The McLarens lined up. Got the MP over here. Got a couple of them. These are still pretty dope to me. This is when they really hit the scene. Yeah, out here in LA, cars kind of buy you status, which I'm quite sure it's like that everywhere around the world, but especially out here, it puts you into a certain circle of people. So people out here go all out to get them an exotic or something that sets them apart so that they can have a certain level of status. You know, it's like having that bling bling Rolly or that AP or that Richard Mille, you know. But hey man, that's life and that's how the game goes. You can't be mad at the players, man. You just gotta step your game up. Now this 570S is on point. It's got one of my favorite colors, blue. It's got the kind of like the, not a tan, but more of a darker, almost saddle color interior. And it just has a nice look to it. It's a dope car, man. As in the wheels, I don't know if you guys can see it, they're like almost like a chameleon. One six McLaren 570S. We got the Ferrari row right here. Got the big boy V12. Got the F430. The 360. I believe this is a 488. Then you got the 456. Got another Ferrari 456 here. Now I'm kind of leaning towards one of these. I think they're classy. I'm more of a classic car guy, so this would be right up my alley. This is a gator shifter. The styling is pretty timeless. Right around in my price range. I don't want to be making any type of payments, so I would just buy this thing outright and call it a day. But I think they're stylish, man, and before they go up in value. it'd be a nice buy. BMW i8. Now this one kind of caught my attention because of the color. It's got that baby blue with the all blacked out everything, and it just looks different, man. It kind of pops. He's got the wheels on it. He's got it tucked in there real tight. Look like it's sitting on air ride, and it's a clean looking car, man. You don't see a lot of people flipping these, but this one right here is definitely on point. Take a look at the interior. Pretty stylish. And the i8, I mean, it's a dope looking ride, man. Performance wise, it might not be one of the fastest, but it does get the attention and looks. And this guy's got a nice stance on it with the wheels. Big money right there. Now this Porsche right here kind of popped out at me. My homeboy's always talking about big wings. This one's got a massive wing. It says Turbo Cup, and it's just a really clean looking Porsche. It's got a nice stance to it. The way it's sitting is just on point. And you know, it's got the same almost like GT3 setup with the roll bar and everything, but this says turbo. You can't really see but my reflection in there. It's a nasty turbo. Got the Acura NSX over here by his lonely self. The only one at the car show. Still looking pretty though. Still can't be mad at these cars, man. They changed up the looks a lot from the one I have, but they're still hot. And they can run with anything out there. For all you JDM guys out there, had to get one in the house. I didn't bring mine out here today because it's still getting some work done to it, but here you go. So there you guys have it. Lamborghini Newport, the 200 mile per hour plus car show. And yeah, there are some nice cars out here today. And I like to, you know, I post these car videos because I'm a car guy, and I know a lot of you people are car guys out there too. But it's also an inspiration and motivation to just achieve as high as you can achieve. Don't put no limits on yourself. You don't necessarily have to drive one of these cars to be successful, but for me it's just it's one of my guilty pleasures, man. I don't drink, I don't do any drugs, I don't chase hookers, so cars is kind of like my vice. It's what I love to indulge in. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you got a favorite, let me know. You know, these are some really good cheek busting cars right here. You pull up one of these, you're gonna bust some cheeks. So keep that in mind when you're looking at an exotic. Anyways, subscribe to the channel, support, and hope to see you guys at Monterey August 16th for the meet and greet at Cannery Row, 700 Cannery Row, Suite FF. If not, I'm gonna have to try to catch you at San Diego. Will be my next meet and greet, which I think is September 21st. So I'll be doing more meet and greets, man. Nothing out of state yet, but it's in the works. Big Herc 916. Holla.